Okay, today I'm for the chicken, and I have a slab of ribs, and I'm gonna jerk some pork. This is what I'm gonna use. Also, inside, this is the beast. I'm gonna use the beast today. Inside, I have 2 pieces of pimento wood. So I'm just let this catch and let the wood or the flame burn out. And after the flame burn out and I get my cold well light, we'll see what's going on. Stay tuned. Of course, I wipe down the grill with cooking oil. Okay, today I'm gonna do the chicken, the chicken that I seasoned up yesterday. Remember, I seasoned this up with some jerk sauce and a little bit of my special secret. I'm gonna do a slab of ribs and I'm gonna jerk some pork. So stay tuned and watch what's going on. Okay, I'm ready to put my chicken on. The coal is all red. Chicken I'm gonna put on the bottom. The reason why I'm putting the chicken on this side is the pimento wood is on this side. I like to put them on unified. Jerk pork, put on this side. Now with the ribs, I'm gonna put on the top. There you go. I'm ready to check on it. I'll let you guys know what's going on. As you know, you gotta keep these things moisturized at all times. Stay tuned and you'll see what's going on. Up top, I got nice clean smoke, as you can see. Okay, I'm gonna turn these things over. Matter of fact, the bottom is burning too hot. So, I got my mighty old juice here. Spray on them, and what I'm gonna do is, since this is burning so hot, I'll take them off and put up top, further away from the flame. Because remember, the chicken has grease, and the grease falls down. And when the grease falls down, it causes a flame. You don't want flame. In. Alright. You want everything nice and slow. using to moisturize this. I mix the jerk sauce with beer. And I let it sit overnight. So this keeps the meat moist, and while I'm spraying it, keeps the fire, the fire down. We don't want nothing cooked too fast. All right, here we go. About to check on this stuff here. I'll keep flames. I don't like flames. Chicken looking good. Coming along nice. Getting some nice color. All these chickens now. Show you. That's a nice, beautiful color. Getting them away from the flame. That's what I like with this grill. You can elevate your meat. And the flame is really coming from the pimento wood that I put in. If you notice how I'm separating the chicken from the pork. Now, this is the jerk pork. Come back here. Show you something. Look at that beautiful color coming on. Look at it. Nice. Put that back. The ribs is gonna be in there for at least 5 hours. Well, I'm gonna do 3 hours with the ribs. Take them out. I'm gonna do the wrap and put them back on for another 3 hours. Yeah. So 3 hours unwrap and 3 hours wrap. There it is. Stay tuned. All right, take a look at them. Jerk pork is under there. Stay tuned. All right, look at that nice clean smoke. Beautiful. It's so pretty over here, you hardly could see it. Look how nice and clear that smoke is. See it? That's what we want. Okay, this is the result of the chicken. And I'm gonna show you the result of the jerk pork and the ribs when it's done. It's been about 2 hours and 45 minutes. I have the ribs wrapped. That's gonna be in there for the long haul. And the jerk pork. It's about almost done. Everything is on, when I say low fire, I'm just letting it just sit there and get that heat. No more fire, it's just heat. So stay tuned for both of these things here, the ribs and the jerk pork. Okay guys, this is the result of the jerk pork. I still have the spare ribs on there. That has another 2 hours to go. The jerk pork came out nice and tender, real tender. So I'm gonna enjoy this. Stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you what the ribs look like. All right, guys, this is it. This is the result of the ribs. And when I say this thing is well done, I'm falling off the bone. Oh my God. Check it out. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.
Like, comment, and subscribe to AG Born Jamaican.
Comment and subscribe to AG Born Jamaican on YouTube.
And like, comment, and subscribe to AG Born Jamaican on YouTube.